We're very saddened to hear the demise of the late Pranab Mukherjee, who was a former president of India. I remember my late father, Shri P.S. Sangma, always speaking very highly about late Pranab Mukherjee. In fact, he used to tell us that he was a person who was very efficient at what he used to do. He was a person who had facts and figures at his fingertip, and a person who really knew the subjects that he was looking into. And those are the memories, at least I have, of what my late father used to tell me about late Pranab Mukherjee. I think he has contributed immensely to the nation and to the people in different capacities, and I think it's a great loss for this nation. And I would like to express our deepest condolences to him, to his family, and we pray to Almighty that they would give, God would give the family strength to bear this great loss that they had, and may his soul rest in eternal peace.